With Augusta Newsbreaks becoming India's biggest talking point, the Aam Aadmi Party jumped into the debate as they organised a massive protest march in the capital.
The top leadership of the Aam Aadmi Party clearly demanding answers from the BJP and the Congress, saying that they will continue to protest. And he's saying it's not political opportunism on part of the Aam Aadmi Party but BJP, because there's been no action against the massive Augusta Westland scam, which Times Now has been relentlessly reporting on. The big question, is this really political opportunism? Because is saying, in fact, Ashutosh is now moving towards the barricades, and they are trying to, in fact, climb the barricades here. You can, in fact, see Ashutosh along with other Aam Aadmi Party leaders now climbing the barricades. These visuals coming on your screens of Ashutosh and several other leaders, in fact, climbing the barricades now, not really listening to any of the people. You can see on the other side also, barricades being broken. There is heavy police presence.
In their typical aggressive fashion, the Aam Aadmi Party is setting up the stage for Arvind's biggest political attack since becoming the Chief Minister of Delhi.
बोले मैं नहीं कह रहा, मैंने नहीं किया, इटली की अदालत कह रही है कि उन लोगों ने चोरी करी है, सोनिया गांधी जी। प्रधानमंत्री जी, हमने आपको एक्शन लेने के लिए प्रधानमंत्री बनाया था, इटली की अदालत के ऊपर सारा काम छोड़ने के लिए प्रधानमंत्री नहीं बनाया था। हमारा भी सीना 56 इंच का हो जाता जब प्रधानमंत्री खड़ा होकर कहता मैंने सोनिया गांधी को जेल भेज दिया। हमारा सीना भी 56 इंच का हो जाता। लेकिन आज जब मेरा प्रधानमंत्री बोलता है कि मैंने नहीं भेजा, मैंने नहीं सोनिया गांधी का नाम लिया, इटली की अदालत ले रही है।
In a blistering attack on Sonia Gandhi, Kejriwal daring the central government to arrest Sonia Gandhi.
इटली की अदालत ने अपने ऑर्डर में लिखा है कि इस मामले के अंदर रिश्वतखोरी हुई है, रिश्वत दे के हेलीकॉप्टर बेचे गए हैं। उस कोर्ट की अदालत के अंदर, ऑर्डर के अंदर सोनिया गांधी जी का नाम है, अहमद पटेल का नाम है, कई सारे अफसरों के नाम है, कांग्रेसियों के नाम है। ऑर्डर आए हुए भी कई दिन हो गए। नरेंद्र मोदी जी की हिम्मत नहीं हो रही जो सोनिया गांधी को गिरफ्तार करके उससे जांच करे।
The unprecedented attack prompting the Congress party to launch a big counter-attack.
Delhi Chief Minister should first of all tell the people of Delhi how many ministers have lost their jobs because of involvement in alleged indiscretions. How many criminal cases are pending against their MLAs? So therefore, before making these from the hip allegations, the Chief Minister of Delhi should introspect, he should look within, and he should come out with a white paper.
Arvind's attack was not just restricted to the Congress party. He accused the government of going slow in the Augusta probe.
इन्होंने मेरे ऊपर सीबीआई की रेड करा दी, मोदी जी ने। मेरे ऊपर पूरा दिन सीबीआई छानबीन करती रही। पूरा दिन छानबीन करने के बाद इनको 4 मफलर मिले और कुछ नहीं मिला। सोनिया गांधी पे सीबीआई की रेड नहीं कराएंगे। सोनिया गांधी से क्यों डरते हैं हमारे प्रधानमंत्री जी? सोनिया गांधी से क्यों डरते हैं हमारे नरेंद्र मोदी जी? चुनाव के पहले कहते थे देश का दामाद है वाड्रा, चुनाव के पहले कहते थे कांग्रेसियों का दामाद है वाड्रा। अब ऐसे लगता है नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने भी गोद ले लिया वाड्रा को।
The BJP pulling no punches as it pointed out 3 instances of Arvind cozying up to Congress in the past.
His relationship with Congress goes as far back as when he was in services, number one. Number two, when Augusta Westland broke out in 2013, and there were reports in the Italian media, there were reports also in Indian media, just a wee bit of report, not too much got reported. At that point in time, I still remember it was a Saturday. The weekend would have flashed this news, but he did a protest in front of Mr. Jaitley's house to actually divert the issue.
The big question remains, is this mere political rhetoric by the Aam Aadmi Party? combined with political posturing in the season of election campaigns and the parliament session? Or will Aam Aadmi Party, which had in fact stood on the plank of anti-corruption, make a sustained effort for the perpetrators of the Augusta Westland to be tried and finally convicted for taking bribe here in India? Reporting from New Delhi with video journalist Manoj Singh, this is Aditya Raj Kaul for Times Now.